So you're probably wondering why we had a packet of Kool-Aid in your take-home bags on Thursday. I brought my assistant Kylie here today to help demonstrate how you can make fun Play-Doh at home with ingredients you'll have around the house, including that packet of Play-Doh. You're gonna want 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of salt, 1 cup of water, and a tablespoon of oil, and any packet of Kool-Aid mix that you want. So you want to definitely have the children help you measure when you're doing this. I have everything pre-measured just for the ease of the demonstration, but it's a great math activity to have them actually use the measuring cups and measure out all the different ingredients together. So I'm gonna have my assistant here pour the flour and the salt into the big bowl. Kool-Aid, and then you're going to give it a stir. Sure. And so not only is this Play-Doh going to be colored, whatever color your Kool-Aid is, it's also going to smell really good as well. So I'm going to mix in the water and the oil. And then I'm going to stir again. And you want to stir it together just until everything is combined and the kids think this is fun. You'll notice I'm using a very large bowl to stir, way more than I need. I recommend that way you actually don't have as many messes on the counter when they're stirring, because children tend to get pretty enthusiastic about stirring. So once it's all come together, now comes the really messy part, and the part the kids will love, and then I'm gonna have my assistant do for me. You have to knead the Play-Doh to make it come together. So they get to just squish it around and roll it until it all firms up together. So I'm gonna turn that over to my assistant, and when we come back, you will see how it looks, and we can talk about a couple different activities that you can do with the Play-Doh to build on the math skills that you started with when you were measuring the ingredients. All right, welcome back, family. So my assistant kneaded this Play-Doh for a few minutes, and you can see now it's definitely the texture of Play-Doh that you're used to seeing in the container. The Play-Doh does need to stay in an airtight container. It's good for about 5 to 7 days, and you're gonna wanna throw it away. But I told you we would talk about some more math extension activities that you can do with the Play-Doh. If you have cookie cutters, you can have them roll it out, cut out different shapes. But another fun thing to have them do is to build and create with the Play-Doh. And I have some popsicle sticks here. You can use toothpicks, pipe cleaners, whatever objects you have laying around. And what's fun to do is to take off little pieces of the Play-Doh and use them as the corners of different shapes. So you could start by building a shape yourself. And I'm just gonna do a triangle here with my popsicle sticks. And then you can ask them, you know, what the shape is, and then also see what shapes they can create on their own. So they might make a square, they might just build with them. You might have them build a 2-dimensional shape laying down flat and see if they can add to it. Just lots of different fun math extension activities that you can do to get them thinking about shapes and what they can create with the Play-Doh. So I hope you all have fun making your Play-Doh that looks and smells good and is also a great way to learn math and science.